Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll have a quick tutorial on how to remove Yahoo Search from Chrome. So if you open your browser and Yahoo is what welcomes you onto the search bar, then you're onto the right guide if you want to change this to Chrome. So as you can see, we have Yahoo in here. To change that, just click onto the three dots onto the upper right corner of your Chrome. Right after that, just go ahead and scroll down until you find in Settings. Here on Settings, onto its left side, you should be able to see the search. Click onto that, and right after, so you can see the search you choose will be used for features like searching from the address bar and from images on web pages. So we have chosen Yahoo for that. We'll just have to click onto change and make sure to choose Google. Right after that, click on to set as default, and this should go ahead and try to change from Yahoo to Google as your default search engine. So if you click onto the plus icon in here, as you can see, you'll get redirected already to Google. And if you try to go ahead and try to search for something, it will go ahead and use the Google search bar for that. And that is just basically it, how you remove Yahoo search from Chrome. If you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.